This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making spicy Indian grilled fish.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
I was at the market earlier today and they had these really fresh Black Pomfrets. And there was an Indian provision shop only a few stores away. So I've decided to make spicy Indian grilled fish. Let's start with the paste. You need 3 shallots, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. For the spices, you will need 2 teaspoons of Garum Masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, more or less to your taste, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Adjust the amount according to your preference also. Blend these together into a paste. You can use any whole white fish. I'm using a black pomfret here today. Score the fish about 1 inch apart. Pour the marinade over the fish and marinate it for 1 to 2 hours. You can grill or pan fry the fish over medium heat. Pomfrets are relatively thin, so it does not take very long to cook. When you see that the tails and fins are turning brown, it's time to flip it. The fish is done when the meat lifts off the bone easily. Serve the fish with lime slices on the side. Spicy Indian grilled fish. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.